Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android header unit for Kia Sportage 2016 to 2019 years. It's 9-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me unbox review. It comes with special cable and harness. This is the header unit. Okay, let me show harnesses first. This special canvas box and harness you can check. This canvas box and harness for Kia Sportage. Sportage power cable. Okay, and this camera. This audio cable. And AUX real and output left and right, and this video input, okay. This AUX input left and right, this camera input. Okay, I see that. It comes with metal brackets, screws, okay, and remote controller, this GPS antenna, and this camera input. And 2 USB cable external microphone. This radio antenna. This AUX. This USB. This AUX input left and right, and video input. This audio cable. Video output 2, this video output 1. Okay, this subwoofer, and front and rear, left and right output. Okay. Let me show header units. Okay, you can check this back. This power, this fuse, this GPS, this audio, USB, and other connection. This Wi-Fi antenna, this radio antenna. Okay. Okay. Let me connect the power cable on the back. The screw will start. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Okay, please take out this screenshot, take it before using. All apps are here. You can check very fast response. Okay, this navigation radio, all apps are here. This widget apps, Z-Link for Android and Apple CarPlay. DSP, Bluetooth, easy connection, and this radio. This volume. This GPS SIM card slot. This microphone reset hole. Okay, this built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. Okay, this Wi-Fi. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. Connecting. Okay, connected to Wi-Fi. You can check show Wi-Fi code. This hotspot from your phone 4G mobile phone network. Check the start motion. You can check Android 10 system. Okay. PX6 you can check. PX6 chip. Very fast response. Storage total 64 GB. Okay, car display. It's personal settings. LED buttons. You can change these LED buttons with gray, blue, orange, and any color. You can adjust this button. Okay. Driving settings. Watch video. You can turn on backup camera settings. Okay. Navigation settings. And this factory settings. Okay. This Z-Link. Wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. It's YouTube. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, it's Google Maps, and you can contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.